Most RVs are bought for practicality first, not for looks or luxury. But every now and then, a brand comes along that refuses to treat those things as optional, and that's exactly what Fendt Caravans has been doing for decades. Fendt, a German manufacturer that's been around since 1970, has built its reputation on one simple idea: quality doesn't happen by accident. Over the years, they've become one of the top names in the caravan world, offering everything from entry-level models to high-end units like the Diamant series, which focuses heavily on comfort, design, and refinement. For 2026, the Diamant lineup continues that trend with multiple floor plans, including the newer 560 FD. It's one of the more compact options in the range, but it still manages to deliver a full premium experience. While it technically sleeps 4 people, it's really best suited for couples who want a spacious and comfortable setup, with the option to host guests when needed. On the outside, it already looks the part. The build quality is solid, with a lightweight chassis and a sleek, modern design that gives it a very polished appearance. It's not flashy, but it definitely stands out in a refined way. Inside is where things really come together. The layout is designed to feel open and airy, thanks to large windows and a triple skylight that brings in plenty of light. Up front, there's a U-shaped lounge that works as both a dining area and a relaxation space. It's comfortable, practical, and can convert into an extra bed at night. The interior styling leans heavily into that clean, upscale European look, with glossy cabinets, subtle chrome details, and durable upholstery that still feels inviting. There are a few decor options available, but all of them stick to that same elegant theme. The kitchen sits in the middle and includes everything you need: a 3-burner cooktop, oven, and a tall fridge. But it is a bit on the tighter side. You'll likely need to use the covers over the sink and stove to create enough workspace. That said, storage is well thought out, with deep drawers and smart compartments. Across from the kitchen, there's a space set up for a TV if you want to add one, although it's not standard. That's pretty common in European caravans, where the focus tends to be more on the travel experience itself, rather than onboard entertainment. Toward the back, the bedroom features a French-style layout, with the bed positioned along one side. It's not fully enclosed, but there's a partition for a bit of separation. You also get plenty of storage with overhead cabinets, a wardrobe, and a small vanity area. At the rear, the bathroom spans the full width of the caravan and feels surprisingly spacious. The shower is larger than you'd expect, with nice lighting and quality finishes that give it a more premium feel overall. In terms of features, it comes nicely equipped with things like a high-quality mattress, underfloor heating, double-glazed windows, and a heating system with an integrated water boiler. There's also app-based control for certain functions, which adds a modern touch. Like many European caravans, it's designed primarily for campground use, so the water tanks are relatively small. That's something to consider depending on how you plan to use it. Pricing starts at around €49,400 and can go higher depending on the options you choose. It's definitely positioned as a premium product, but it backs that up with strong build quality, thoughtful design, and a level of comfort that really stands out. At the end of the day, this is the kind of caravan that proves you don't have to choose between practicality and style. You can actually have both.